Good afternoon, children. So already we have learned about integers. What are called integers? Positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Okay. Already we learned addition of integers and subtraction of integers on a number line. Okay. How to draw addition of integers on number line? First you should draw number line. Okay. And middle of the number line should write 1 and 0 right side we are having positive numbers and 0 left side we are having negative numbers. Suppose I will give 5 plus of minus 4. 5 plus of minus 4. How you should draw on number line? So here first number is 5. So you should move 0 to 5. Positive number no, it should move to 0 to 5 on right side. And next one, plus of minus. Plus of minus means what is that one? 5 minus 4. Plus of minus means minus. So minus 4. Minus 4 means you should move to left side. Where it is ending here? 5. From here onwards you should move 4 steps back side. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 5 plus of minus 4. What is the answer is 1. Okay children, like that subtraction of integers 6 minus of minus 3, like that given means how you should do? 6 minus of minus plus 3, minus of minus plus 3. Draw the number line. 0, 0 right side positive numbers, 0 left side negative numbers. So 6 minus of minus 3, that means 6 plus 3. Okay, you should draw here positive numbers. So first number is 6, so 0 to 6. And next plus 3, plus 3 means you should move right side. So it will end here now. Again you have to count from 3 steps from here. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 9. Like that you can represent integers on the number line. Okay children? So much write all of you. Write in your books because there is no books, no? See this children? Let us learn the multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. See here, Tulsi madam conducted a quiz in her classroom. Each correct answer carried 5 marks and each wrong answer carried minus 2 marks. So Tulsi madam conducted a quiz in her classroom. So each correct answer carried how many marks? 5 marks. And each wrong answer carried how many marks? Minus 2 marks. Sophia answered 4 questions correctly and answered 4 questions wrongly in first round. Let us calculate the marks. So John answered 4 questions wrongly in first round. Let us calculate the marks. Sophia marks. See here. Sophia answered how many questions? 4 questions correctly. So 4 questions correctly means for each question correct answer how many marks? 5 marks. So Sophia's marks 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many? 4 times 20. 4 times of 5 equal to 20. And John's marks. John answered 4 questions wrongly. So John questions wrongly, answered wrongly. So how many marks have we carried for wrong answer? For each minus 2 marks. So minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2. So what is the answer? Minus 8. So 4 times of minus 2 is minus 8. 4 into minus 4 times of minus 2 is minus 8. 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 8. So how we can represent on the number line? Check it here, number line here. So what is this? 4 times of minus 2, no? 4 times of minus 2. So minus 2 means you should move to 0 left side. Okay. So minus 0 to first minus 2 again take 2 steps back. What will get? Minus 4. Again 2 steps. Again 2 steps. So what will get? Minus 8 is the answer. Another example, see, 6 into minus 5. Draw the number line. 6 into minus 5. So you should take here 5, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35. Okay. So 0 to minus 5, again 5 steps, that is minus 10, again 5 steps, minus 15, again 5 steps, minus 20, again 5 steps, minus 25, again 5 steps, minus 30. So 6 into minus 10, how much answer? Minus 30 is the answer. Let us find 6 into minus 5 in another way. How? Another way, see here. Put minus 10 before the product of 6 and 5, we get minus 30. 6 into minus 5 is equal, how we can write? Minus sign will be kept in front. Okay. So minus of 6 into 5 equal to minus 30. Few more examples, see here. 3 into minus 2. How you can write? You should keep the minus sign before two numbers, that is minus of 3 into 2. How much? 3 to 6 minus 6. 7 into minus 4 equal to minus of 7 into 4. So what is the answer? 7 4 28. What is the answer? Minus 28. 2 into minus 6. How you can write? You should write minus sign first before 2 digits. That is minus 2 into 6. What is the answer? 2 6 12. Minus 12 is the answer. Like that, find the values of 4 into minus 8, 5 into minus 20, 7 into minus 8, 10 into minus 10. Can you do like that, children? Okay. See here, 3 into minus 2. How can you write? You should keep the minus sign before two numbers. Okay. This minus will be moved to this side. So minus of 3 into 2. 3 2s how much? 6. Here minus is there, so put minus 6. 7 into minus 4. So 7 into 4 minus sign will be moved to this side. 7 into 4 how much? 20. Minus 28. 2 into minus 6. How can you write? Minus of 2 into 6. That equal to minus 12. Like that you can do this sum. I will take the tick and send it to your group. You can do like this. Okay, children? Yes, very good. So in the example, what you should do is 6 into minus 5. Okay. So here minus is there, no? This minus will move to here. Okay. So minus of 6 into 5. Okay. Now minus 6 5 how much? Minus 30. Did you understand, children? Like that 3 into minus 2. How you can write? This minus will move to here. Minus of 3 into 2. So minus 3 2s how much? 6. Like that 7 into minus 3. How you can do? This minus will move to here. Minus of 7 into 3. Minus 7 3 is how much? 21. Like that you can do the homework, children. Okay, I'll send the pic to you in the group. You can do the homework like this. Did you understand, children? Now look at this one, children. Still in similar way. Minus 6 into 7. What is the answer? Minus of 6 into 7. So how much? Minus 42 is the answer. Like that you can do. Okay. Yes, I will send in the group now. Thus, to multiply the integers having different sign, put the negative sign before the product. For any two integers a and b, minus a into b equal to, how you can write? Minus of a into b equal to a into of minus b, both are equal. So find the values like this. Okay, children? I will send in the group this one. You can do the homework. Now see the multiply. For any two integers a and b, minus of a into b is equal to minus of a into b. Like that, same a into of minus b, both are equal here. Now see the multiplication of two negative integers. Observe the following pattern here. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Okay. Next, minus 2 into of minus 1. What is the answer? 2 ones 2. Minus of minus, what is the answer? Plus 2. Minus 2 of minus 2, plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6 is the answer. Okay. So you have to prepare a pattern to find minus 5 into minus 4 starting from minus 5 into 3. Like this pattern you have to prepare. What is your observation? Based on the observation, complete the following. So what is the observation here? If you multiple two negative integers, will get the product as positive integer. So minus 2 into minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 4 equal to how much answer? Plus 8. Minus 2 into minus 5, what is the answer? Plus 10. So the product of two negative integers is always positive integer. The product of two negative integers is always positive integer. Okay, children? Now, okay, 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. How to write? Minus 2. Okay. 2 into minus 0. That is answer. 2 zeros, 0. Next. Minus 2 into minus 1. How can you write? Minus 2 into minus 1. Minus. Here minus is there. Minus of minus, what will become? Plus. So 2 1, how much? 2 is the answer. So plus 2 is the answer. Again, minus 2 into minus 2. Here minus is there. Here also minus is there. Minus of minus, what will become? Plus. So 2 2's 4. Again, minus 2 into minus 3. How can you write? Minus of minus plus 2 3's 6. Like that you can do the multiplication of integers. What do you observe here? What do you observe here? The product of two negative integers will get the product as positive integer. Did you understand now? Product of two negative integers is positive. Product of two negative integers is positive. Product of two negative integers is positive. Here product of one negative integer is negative. Product of one negative integer is negative. Product of two negative integers is positive. That is the difference. Okay, ma'am? I will send the pics in your groups, children. You can do the homework, find the values if there no, you can do the homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children?